Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell for you in this video about how bang living overseas. So guys, follow these rules. But today I hope you enjoy in my video and subscribe and give likes also comment. So without further ado, go ahead. If I kept my credit card, how do I pay them? You can do that. You can pay US American Express card from overseas. Most US credit card won't allow you to do that. So, you will pay one MasterCard. Other cards pay US from US bank account with ACH. If you have an American Express card, procedure have been well accept a wire from foreign bank account. We are going to charge you 25 fee to offer our going charge 25 fee to offer our costs with that wire on your side. But if some reason you only have a foreign account and you want to keep using US credit card because it's harder to get credit card in other country, then you can do that. So that reason why American Express be easier to go to another country and get an American Express card or get a credit card, or you are going to build a credit card profile. Then may have American Express. They may not have a kind of any local bank. You may not be allowed to do so in exchange for getting tax benefit. Okay, before, so if you keep US credit card and your bank will allow you to do so, then I would do that. So bank like SCHW, for example, they don't like people using experts. They don't like you not to being in the US and using the account. Oh, we don't like people who don't live here. I had one online bank account that I hold many years, then just closed. It's because I was lodging too much from overseas. They didn't like that. We don't care if you are not here. We have no problem with you. Without money in different countries, you need an international friendly US bank, and you can keep that generally. You can keep your credit card. Talk to them. You can do that in the case of American Express. You can move overseas. Why you would keep US bank account? If you move abroad, in my response, why not keep as many options? US bank is highly respect around the world. If I am moving from the US any other country, why would not want to keep US bank account? If my bank account was cool with me doing that. If they will allow me to process transaction out or the country, because then what I can do is, let's say, my salary comes into Europe in this case. So let's say, I work for myself. I have my own business. One thing you want to understand when you are moving overseas is if you have a business and you're using the foreign income and exclusion, you are going to pay yourself. If a salary that's separate from the business, so the earnings aren't just all in one pot. You as the business owner and the worker in the business have a salary. And then as the business owner, as the shareholder, you can figure out what to do with those earnings. So going to be a little bit harder to deal with. But you're taking out a salary. Where's that salary going to go? In many cases, sending that salary to US bank account In contrast, what many other countries would treat it as won't be a problem. So if you are moving somewhere else and you can pay yourself, if a salary to a US bank account, that may be easier, either as a transaction or even long term, depending on where you are moving. If I was moving to Mexico, yeah, I probably wouldn't really be sending my salary to Mexican bank account. There are just historical implications with doing that. I would say if I can, as long as I can ensure that my sending my salary to myself in the US for work I'm doing while I'm living in Mexico is not going to add any tax complications. Why wouldn't I use my US bank account rather than setting a bank account in Mexico? And theoretically asking a lot of more question or in pitch salaries being forces to convert into currency. I don't want to hold or whatever else. Why not do that? Why not expand my option? And then if I want to hold a local bank account and I can move the money between those bank accounts. Now, if I am being paid into my salary, whether from an employer or from my own business, into a foreign bank account, I can always move from that salary bank to the United States. And how do you move money between foreign bank account? You can use service like Wise, for example, to connect your US bank account. If you are living in Europe, you can take dollar out of your bank account in the US. Convert that into Europe with Wise. Drop the euros into your bank account in Europe. It's really straightforward. If you can also that in reverse. If you got all your money going into bank account, you can take those euro, convert them into dollars. Send them in the US for things like paying your credit card. If you got credit card that requires you to pay it from US bank. Most non-American Express credit card. So you want to do an ACH transaction. Either you pay yourself the salary into the US bank account. Grab the comment if you like this video.